Hi, I wanted to talk to you about how to import skills for your teachers. This will give them the ability to tag their activities with skills and see in one dashboard how their students are demonstrating mastery of skills. This video here will give you further directions about that. But for now, we need to import the skills. You should have access to a zip file that says Seesaw Skills Import Files. When you double click on that, it will create a folder for you that says Seesaw Skills Import Files. These are probably files that you will only need to use this one time. But notice that they are CSV files, and we have one for every grade level we use in Seesaw Pre-K, K, 1 and 2. We'll have to import them one at a time, but it doesn't take too long. There's a little bit of lag in between, but they load fairly quickly after that. So to navigate to be able to import your skills on your campus admin dashboard in Seesaw, you're going to click on the Skills tab, and then you're going to click on Import School Skills. This video gives more information about skills as well. You might want to watch that, but it goes into creating and using templates and that sort of thing. We're going to do select CSV from computer, and that file is on the desktop. The Seesaw things. So we can start with one grade level at a time. I'm going to start with the Pre-K Seesaw Skills CSV. And it will tell you whether it's going to be good or not. If you see errors here, there's something to fix, but there should not be errors in these files. So this, we're going to import 141 new skills and click on Perform Skills Import. Your skills import has started. You will receive an email once it's complete. And until that's done, you'll see processing here. After a minute or two, if you refresh, you should see some of the skills start to populate. See, that went fairly quickly. And then you're going to repeat that process for all 4 of the grade levels. There is a little bit of wait time in between. Once you see that there's not a blue bar across here, then it's probably safe to go ahead and import the others. Now, the reason this is going to be important to your teachers is because in their classes, when they go to create an activity, they can add a skill to go with it. As they build up the skills over time, they have an opportunity to see mastery. So under activities, they go to the activity library to choose an activity, or if they click on the green plus sign to create their own. I'm going to choose this one that already exists. I'm going to do copy and edit activity, kind of make it my own. And under here at the bottom of the activity where it says more options and skills, teachers can click on that and they can search through the skills that you have imported and find the exact one that they want that applies. I don't really know if this goes with it, but I'm going to choose it just to demonstrate, and then tap the check mark. And then that skill is associated with that activity. And once they assign that activity, then in the course, on this skills tab here, as time goes on, they'll be able to see a chart that has every student in it and if they mastered that skill. So that is a little bit more of an advanced topic that involves tagging skills, but there's directions for that too. There's Learn More, and it will take you to the help article that will tell teachers how to do it. It's a little bit of an advanced skill, but I think that they will like that because it will give them some ability to at a glance see some mastery. Let's see if we can go ahead and import the kindergarten. Nope, still processing. Like I mentioned, it takes a little bit of time, but once you get all 4 files uploaded, your teachers will be able to tag any of those texts onto the activities that they create.